Strong storms rumbled through the big cities of the Northeast this afternoon, toppling trees and damaging some buildings. Hello, I'm Mike Seidel here at the Weather Channel. Thanks for tuning in tonight. We'll be updating you on that situation, but right now the attention has shifted to the threat of severe weather in the southern plains. And for that story, we go to Kristina Abernathy in the Forecast Center. Kristina?
Thanks a lot, Mike. We do indeed have severe weather. We've had severe thunderstorms. We've had very large hail with some of these storms, and now we're getting some tornado warnings. Let's take a look at the map and we'll see where that threat of severe weather is going to be greatest this evening. Anywhere from Texas on northward to Iowa and Nebraska, the threat for severe thunderstorms exists. A very unstable environment here as we've got plenty of warm, moist air in place. We've got a frontal boundary. We've got upper disturbances, and with that, the threat for severe weather. We actually are going to be updating this map. We have a new watch that has been issued, a new tornado watch for much of the panhandle of Texas. So part of that severe thunderstorm watch is going to be a tornado watch. And if we can actually switch to our other source, we can see that updated map. If we can switch on over, we can see the updated. We'll have that for you in just a moment. But at any rate, we are expecting the threat for severe storms, the threat for tornadoes. So look out. Again, we have had dime to golf ball size hail with some of these storms, and we have also got tornado reports right now as well. Let's take a look at a radar picture and we will see, or actually our map, and we'll see what all the fuss is about. Rain and storms here have been occurring through New Mexico and Colorado, the panhandle of Texas and Oklahoma, on into Kansas and even Nebraska getting in on the act. Numerous severe thunderstorm warnings. And again, now we are getting tornado warnings. Where you see the reds and the yellows here, that's where the more intense storms are occurring. And again, they are moving generally west to east at this point, perhaps even some to the sort of east-southeast. So look out for these here along the panhandle of Texas and into the panhandle of Oklahoma. These here to the southwest of Amarillo and then to the south here. And again, tornado warnings in effect now for southern Texas County and the Oklahoma panhandle. Also in the Texas panhandle, northern Hansford County, a tornado warning in effect for you. And here's just another perspective on those storms. Again, to the northeast of Wink and then here, and then as we head on northward into the panhandle of Texas and Oklahoma. Other tornado warnings in effect in the Texas panhandle in Castro County as well as in Sherman County. So again, these storms here, very nasty indeed. And again, farther to the north we go. And these are the storms that we're watching very closely. Look out in these areas. Again, tornado warnings are in effect. Finally, we head on into Kansas, where, again, you are getting a storm here in the northwestern part of the state, another here in Nebraska. So look out. Things certainly are going to get worse before they get better. We can see more development here through Kansas and on into Oklahoma. Things certainly very rough. Look at our lightning data, giving you an indication of where some of the storms are occurring right now. And each red dot indicating a lightning strike, the white dots indicating the more recent strike. So these storms still definitely very potent here through Texas, and you're getting the storminess as well, again, into Kansas and Nebraska. So the severe weather threat continues. The watch is in effect. That's how it stands right now as far as your severe weather is concerned. Of course, we'll keep you updated. But for the details on what's going on in the rest of the nation, we head back to the studio with Mike.
And Kristina, earlier today, the Northeast was the target of severe weather most of this afternoon. Now, there was some damage and at least one reported tornado. Strong winds ripped through Jersey City, New Jersey this afternoon, doing quite a bit of damage to this